Oh my, this is the point where I sing, I'm loving you for life. If challenges come, I'll stay with you. It's me and you to the end of time. No turning back, no going back. Anyways, guys, I actually thought I was not going to uninstall InShot app, and then CapCut told me, come on, uninstall that thing, uninstall it sharp sharp. I uninstalled it when the spot blur effect, video effect came out on CapCut app where I can blur my background. And right now, in your very presence, I am going to be uninstalling the Face app and the Hypic app because I really don't need them any longer for my picture edits. Because this CapCut edit has everything you can think about, everything you need, and more. I mean, let's just get into it. I'm shivering.
So guys, this is very simple. Go into the CapCut app, and if you have updated your app, you're going to be seeing new video and edit video. So of course you should be on the pro plan to be able to use everything without hitches. So I'll go to edit photo. From edit photo, I'll go pick out my photo where I kept them. Okay, let me just go straight to my favorites. I'll be starting with this one to show you how I edited this particular photo. So there are two ways. You can do the easy way out, or you can go the mile. You can see the picture currently. So if I want to do the easy way out, I'll just go to Americano. That fits my face. You can pick any of these auto styles that fits your face. Keep testing them. You will find what fits your face. As you can see, this one doesn't really go for me, but I love this Americano. Look at that, guys. Look at the edits. Like, you don't have to do any other thing here. Then I'll click on go. I actually don't like that it's too bright, it's too white in my eyes. So I'll just go to face, and then from face I'll go to skin tone, and then I'll pick either warm honey or almond. Look at the perfect edit. That is all. Now the second way out, so now why I'm going to show you the second way out is because sometimes none of the auto styles will fit, so you can actually do it yourself. So guys, the second way out is, let's go back, let's remove every edit we've done. Good, I've removed all the edits. The second way out is doing the edit yourself. I'm going to be showing you how simple you can do this so you don't waste your time in this app. So being on the retouch, I'll go to my being on the retouch, I'll go straight to plum. Sorry, I like to start from even. I'll go to even, and I'll move it to 60. 60, guys, 60. Perfect. From 60, go to plum. Take plum to just 25 so you don't embalm yourself, so it is not too much and actually looking terrible. Then from this, I'll go to my I like to first of all do any makeup touches I want to do first before I come to skin tone. So I'll go to the makeup. I'll go to makeup. From makeup, you can pick any styles here, but I like to do my touches myself. I'll go to eyelashes. Pick any eyelash I feel fits in to my face. So any of these two goes. Then I'll go to eyeshadow. So I don't like to do much with the eyeshadow, so I'll just pick this lot. So depending on you, whatever you like, lipstick, I just can decide to leave it the way it is, or I'll pick something else in here. So there are lots of them, as you can see. I can pick whatever. I can leave it the way my lips were already, because my lips are already looking good, or I can pick whatever it is from here. Let me leave my lips for this particular one. Then this is all I did here: eyelashes and eyebrow and eyeshadow. Sorry, I'll go to good. Then the next part I want to go to is part of face. Part of face. So this is part of face. I'll go to, I don't like doing too much so it looks realistic. So the part I like, I would go to is my eyes. So my eyes, I made my eyes slanty, so I'll pick slant. That's all. Pick slant, then push it a bit, just a bit, so your eyes look more defined. So pushing it to 65, or yeah, 66 is perfect. You don't do it much, it's perfect. Then your nose, you can decide what you want to do with your nose. What part of the nose don't you like? What angle? You can see where the arrows are leading. It tells you, okay, this is the part I want to enhance, this part I don't want to enhance, and stuff like that. So me, I will just pick the bridge because that's all I feel my nose would need at this point in time. Can you see that? You explore with the bridge. Look at that. If I do go this way, it enhances the bridge, but going back gives me that pointed nose. It gives me that pointed nose look. So you can decide to go to the Roman. So you can just define your nose. This is me showing you perfect edit. So mouth, I really don't use the mouth because I feel like I love my lip here already. So that is perfect. Okay, so from the can you see the face here. So this is cheekbones. That's all I do. Whatever I want to do, you do with your face. But I'm just interested in defining my cheekbones. So I just pull it to 100. And one last thing right in the face, one last thing, I'd go to clear blemishes. I don't want to do that too much because I can't actually see much blemishes, so I'll stop at 25. Then I can also go to smooth and smoothing just a little bit because I can actually see a need to smoothing. Everything feels perfect already, so 25 or even lesser, you can go with 15, which I think is perfect. So that's it, that's all. This is all you have to do. Don't do more than this so you don't embalm yourself. So when I'm done with that, I'll go to the skin tone and then I'll pick warm yellow. Sorry, I'll pick warm honey or almond like I always do. So almond is perfect here. So guys, there are other edits you can actually do like the smart lighting, remove background, AI remove of background, enhance and all. But look at this picture, it's perfect. I don't need any of that. But if you need all of this, you can explore them. But this honestly is perfect to me. So guys, this is all I did. And then when you're done with your edit, whether the previous one or this one, you just the second photo I did much more because I enhanced my curves. So I just got the photo. Let's pick in the photo. I've taught you what I did with how to enhance my face, so I'm going to be very fast with this particular edit. I'm going to be very quick with this edit. Let me use another photo entirely. I'll be using this particular photo, guys. So the first thing I'll do is check for what fits my face. No, I don't really like this. Let's go Americano. This looks good, but in case I do not like it and I want my own edit, I know what to do. I've taught us before. So aside from this, I would go, this is exactly what I want to show you here. I really just need to show you this. I'll go to body, I'll go to waist. I could just make my waist a bit more tinier. Look at it's too tiny, so of course I'll adjust it a bit. So this is perfect. I'll go to the hips. I'll go to the hips and I'll enhance my hips. Look at this, guys. See, this looks perfect. So let's make a comparison. This is before, this is after, guys. I mean, this looks really nice already. And then, oh good, there's something else I like to do, which is the filter. I'll just pick a very good filter that fits into this photo. I could decide to go for the peachy glow. So it's actually if an outdoor shoot, so I think this looks good. This also looks good. This also looks good. So I do filters for outdoor glow to give me a perfect picture look. So guys, what do you think about this? This is a save. This is a save. Simply click here and save, and it saves to your gallery. God, guys, I mean, this is beautiful. So that's it, guys. Do you love it? Give me a thumbs up, share this video, at least tell me thank you for this tutorial, something like that, to encourage me to do more tutorials like this. All right guys, see you in my next video. Mwah.